Hi, I'm Laura Sloan. I'm the VP of People and Culture at Mr. Yum. We ran the team alignment session today as People and Culture team, really because we are a pretty newly formed team. We're still getting used to ways of working and how we prioritise work. So we were really looking forward to coming together and actually talking through some of those themes. We spent 4 hours together and got through a lot during that time. I think we've all come away with a really strong sense of what our key priority areas are, especially for a function that has got so much that they would love to do. Being able to really focus in on the most impactful things that we can deliver was really exciting, as well as some really clear practical tools that we can use in terms of project management and running retros, and communication styles. So yeah, really looking forward to what we're going to be able to deliver as a result. And I would absolutely recommend the Team Alignment Workshop for anyone that's considering it.